Hello, welcome. This video is about mitosis. I hope you enjoyed learning all about mitosis. Remember, PMAT. This is a cell. Mitosis is the division of a cell. This is a cell with all its labeled parts. There is DNA, chromosomes, spindle fibers, centromeres, nucleus, and nucleolus. This is a chromosome. Mitosis involves the chromosomes a lot. They are the carriers of DNA. In the middle of a chromosome is the centromere. The centromere is where the two sister chromatids attach. This is the nucleolus. The nucleolus controls all of the functions in the cell. This is a really big part. It's like the brain. These are the spindle fibers, and in the middle are the centrioles. All the organelles in the cell float in a jelly-like substance called the cytoplasm. In this video, the pink base is the cytoplasm of the cell. Now you know all the organelles in the cell. Let's start and get into mitosis. Here we go! Interphase is the first phase in mitosis. A cell spends the majority of its life in interphase. This is because all of the functions that a cell needs to do happens in interphase. The cytoplasm also doubles and the chromosomes replicate. This is because it's getting ready for division. The next phase is prophase. We break prophase up into early prophase and late prophase. In early prophase, the nucleus and the nucleolus start to disappear. Then the spindle fibers start to move apart and go to the opposite ends of the cell. In late prophase, their centrioles and their spindle fibers are at opposite ends of the cell. The nucleolus and the nuclear membrane are completely disappeared. Metaphase is the third phase in mitosis. In metaphase, the doubled chromosomes line up right across the middle of the cell, or the equator of the cell. Then, the double chromosomes and their centromeres attach up to the spindle fibers. Anaphase is the fourth stage in mitosis. In anaphase, the chromosomes split at the centromeres. The spindle fibers then pull half of the chromosomes to one centriole and the other half of the chromosomes to the other centriole. This causes stretching and tearing in the cell. In the center, the cell membrane then starts to pinch. Telophase is the last stage in mitosis, and where the division is almost complete. In telophase, the cell membrane completes its pinching at the center, and nuclear membranes form around the separate chromosomes. Then, the nucleolus is formed inside the nucleus. At the end of telophase, the two cells are so close from being completely pulled apart and being separate from each other. This video has gone through the 4 stages of mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. PMAT is what I use to remember prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Now, interphase is also very important for mitosis, but it is not included in PMAT. Mitosis is just one stage in the cell cycle. The first stage is interphase, then mitosis, then cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is what actually divides the cell. At the end of cytokinesis, you will have 2 identical cells. These identical cells will have the same structure as the parent cell. The parent cell is the beginning cell, and then it divides into 2 daughter cells. These daughter cells will be identical, the same. Mitosis and cytokinesis makes 2 identical cells. This is one way of asexual reproduction. There are many other ways organisms can reproduce through asexual reproduction. Thank you so much for watching this Mitosis Claymation video. We really hope you learned and understand more about mitosis. This video was made by Kiana Muhammad Rosen Owen. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a really good day.
Thank you, THANK YOU